So if you are given with some hours of a day and the temperatures, different temperatures, the best way to analyze the temperature is draw the graph of that. आपको एक पैटर्न मिलेगा कब मैक्सिमम होगा टेम्परेचर, कब मिनिमम होगा. एंड एज वन ऑफ योर क्लासमेट्स सेड, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप कैन बी चेकिंग द वेदर एंड बेस्ड ऑन दी वेदर, उस वेदर में आइडियली कितना टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए एंड आपका रूम टेम्परेचर कौन से आवर में वो मैच हो रहा है, दैट यू कैन गो फॉर इट. एंड फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ करंट रूम टेम्परेचर यू कैन अगेन गो फॉर थर्मोमीटर, एज वन ऑफ योर क्लासमेट्स सेड. use the temperature thermometer to measure the room temperature and you can match आपका जो present room temperature है कौन से hour को match कर रहा है. So there are many ways to analyze the behavior. Just like that, patterns, in the patterns they will give you some lot of information regarding where your antenna is radiating, in which direction it is maximum, in which it is minimum, many other informations also it includes. So the best way to analyze the behavior of an antenna is making use of patterns, and generally we call it radiation patterns. We have got many different patterns here. Field pattern hai, that is you analyze the field there. Then you have power patterns. So they, in that case you go for power calculations. Power ka behavior aap analyze karoge, and you have a relationship between P and E, right? So you will get E square. P is equal to E square. Just now we have seen P is equal to E square or P is equal to H square. So they are proportional to the square of the fields. Power is proportional to square of the fields. So the best way to analyze the behavior or the radiation of an antenna is by making use of patterns. And what are patterns? The patterns are three-dimensional quantities. You can see here I have drawn it. ये आपको थोड़े बलून के जैसे स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है. ओके, दिस इज ऑन 2-dimensional पेपर. आई हैव ट्राइड टू रिप्रेजेंट इट. ट्राई टू इमेजिन अ 3D व्यू. ये इसको राउंड बलून के शेप में आप इमेजिन करो. So it is a 3-dimensional quantity pattern. It involves the variation of, as I told you, it can be a field, it can be a power. So you will be checking here the variation of either field or variation of the power of an antenna as a function of spherical coordinate systems. So in the spherical coordinate system, you go for r, theta, phi. Those are the variables. So you go for theta and phi, not the radial direction. We will go for angular directions, theta and phi. So if you see here, ये एक example pattern मैंने draw ये लिया है. In your textbook it is given. In this, we have already studied regarding the spherical coordinate system, right? So what is angle theta? See, you have an angle theta, right? So theta, this is your phi. I think it is here. Okay, hope it is visible to you. We will be checking the field, variations of field or variations of power of an antenna as a function of theta and phi. Those spherical coordinates in terms of those, we will be checking the variation. So it is a graph which shows the variations of either electric field strength or the power at all the points. So this pattern has a main lobe. You can see यहाँ पर some disc shape of structures I have drawn at the below, and this is your bigger balloon kind of structure. We call this bigger structure as major lobe or main lobe. In turn, these are the terms used. जो बड़ा वाला structure है, it is giving you the direction कहाँ पर maximum आपको power मिलेगा. That is your main lobe. See, maximum radiation or major lobe. Okay, though both are used. It is in the Z direction. You know this. हम generally coordinate system में इसको Y लेंगे, इसको X लेंगे, and इसको Z लेंगे. Okay, we try to recall your electromagnetics. And you can see यहाँ पर जो मैंने disc shape below the structures I have drawn, they are called minor lobes. Major and minor or main and minor. Minor lobes include some side lobes and back lobes. अगर ये आपका एक्चुअली मेजर मैक्सिमम डायरेक्शन है एंटेना का। यहाँ पर साइड में आप देख सकते हो, दीज आर कॉल्ड साइड लोब्स, यहाँ पर है दिस, दीज आर ऑल दी साइड लोब्स। एंड यू नो यहाँ पर जो बैक साइड आई हैव शोन यू दिस balloon, small balloon kind of a structure that I have shown you, it is your minor lobe, sorry back lobe. माइनर लोब में दो हैं, एक साइड लोब होगा, एक बैक लोब होगा, इन अदर डायरेक्शंस इन जनरल. Okay, now to completely specify the radiation pattern with respect to the field intensity, okay, as I told you, we can either go for the field variation checking or we can go for power variation. So if I take the field variation, the field intensity E has to be considered. Okay, majorly we will be expressing the things here in terms of E, but the same is applicable to H also, क्योंकि जो भी wave propagate हो रहा है inside the antenna, through the antenna in the space, it is an electromagnetic wave. So whatever concepts, the quantities I'm giving you here now for E, the same will be applicable to H also. Fine. Now it requires three patterns. Theta and phi, these are the two coordinates we will be using in spherical coordinate system. So theta component of the electric field as a function of angles theta and phi, that is theta component, theta direction में आपका field. Similarly phi component, in terms of phi, coordinates are theta and phi, and these are the magnitudes I'm talking. And one more is the phase. Phase also matters. Electromagnetic wave propagate kar raha hai. We don't know whether it is E is equal to simply E magnitude, or it can be further, it has got some phase, omega. So if you go for phase also, the phase of these fields also we should consider, that is a delta. So ये दोनों आपको magnitude देंगे in a theta direction and in phi direction. जो third one है, the either is theta or phi, this is going to give you the phase of the fields. Phase कैसे vary हो रहा है of the field when it travels through the antenna. Okay, hope you understood this. The remaining part I'll be continuing as a note, and then some of the what is the equation to get the patterns. Okay, this much I will be continuing in the next class.